This Coldwell Banker Wallace property video is presented by Traci Greene. Unrestricted 1.1 acre 2-1 home with circle drive, pull-through garage/barn and gravel area perfect for large equipment. Two sides of Porto enjoy the privacy in Sevier County. Newly renovated huge bathroom with laundry, 1-year-old HVAC and metal roof is 2 years old. Newer appliances, dining area and more. Home is financeable and great for first home buyers, retiring and self-employed businesses for storage of toys and more. Convenient between Knoxville, Sevierville, and Morristown. Financeable even THDA/USDA area. Turn on Hardin Way living room TV does not convey. For more information, review the details below or contact Traci Greene at 865